Welcome to this full review of Solidvest Robo-advisor for investing. You can find the links to the platform in the description below for easy access. Solidvest is a robo-advisor designed for investors seeking personalized, high-quality portfolio management with a focus on sustainable, long-term growth. It's especially suited for individuals who want tailored financial advice, but without the need for direct interaction with a financial advisor. One of Solidvest's standout features is its ability to create bespoke portfolios based on your individual financial goals, risk tolerance, and preferences. Unlike many robo-advisors that use generic algorithms, Solidvest takes a more hands-on approach by incorporating the expertise of financial professionals who can adjust your investments to suit your specific needs. This makes it ideal for investors who want a more curated experience while still benefiting from the automation and cost savings of robo-advisory services. Solidvest also offers highly diversified portfolios, investing in a range of assets, including stocks, bonds, real estate, and alternative investments. This diversification helps mitigate risks and increase potential returns. Additionally, Solidvest places a strong emphasis on sustainable and ethical investing, allowing users to align their portfolios with personal values such as environmental responsibility and social governance. On the fee side, Solidvest is competitive, with a management fee of around 0.75% per year. While this is a bit higher than some robo-advisors, it reflects the personalized attention and expert guidance you receive. However, it's worth noting that there is a minimum investment requirement, which might not be suitable for everyone. One downside of Solidvest is that it currently operates in Germany, so international investors may find it less accessible. Additionally, some users may find the lack of tax optimization features, like tax loss harvesting, to be a limitation. In conclusion, Solidvest is a great choice for investors looking for personalized, high-quality portfolio management with an emphasis on ethical investing. The platform's focus on custom portfolios and sustainable options makes it stand out, but the fees and minimum investment might not work for all investors. Check out the links in the description to explore if Solidvest fits your investment needs.